Alright, so I am going to pick up this bag of old, these are actually softballs. I noticed a lot of people doing the baseballs, and I came across some baseballs like a month ago and haven't gotten painted yet. So picked up this bag of old softballs last weekend, and I am going to paint them Patriotic. But I think I'm just going to do mine just red and blue. I'm not going to do the stars and the stripes. Try to do them a little different because I know there's a ton of people out there right now doing them. But they look so neat. They're so fun. So, and I hate painting some of these old walls because they're so cool. There was a couple that I left that I'm not going to paint. Especially the ones that have the red threads. They're getting left. But these other ones, I picked up a really cool big vase. Same place that I got the softballs from. And they are going to go in there on my counter. And I may leave them out all the time instead of just for the 4th of July. Because I really like the red, white, and blue decor. Oh, this is DIY's Hay Sailor. Using that for the blue. And then the red, it will be the DIY's Carnival Red. And I'm not going to distress them or anything. I'm just going to leave them. I'm going to probably do 2 coats of paint on them. Do some top coat. I'm leaving the threads show. I just give it a little bit more character. And I had used my Cricut and cut some stripes and some stars because I was like, oh, I'll put those down first and then paint over it. Yeah, no, not so much. Did not want to stick to these old softballs. So, and then I tried freehanding some stripes on one, and with it being this dark, it just, yeah, I don't like it. So we're just gonna, like I said, I think I'm just gonna paint them red and blue. Like some of them I'll do red with blue, and then some I'll do maybe do a couple all blue or a couple all red. I don't know. And then just mix it up, just do different ones. Like I said, I've seen several people doing them. I saw them like a couple months ago on Pinterest, and I was like, ooh, I need to make those. Those are really cute. Well, I'm behind the guns. I didn't. Everybody else has got their videos of them out there now, so. Not trying to copy anybody. Just thought it was a really cute idea. I saw it on Pinterest. Like I said a while back when I was looking up ideas for red, white, and blue stuff. I do like to go on Pinterest just for inspiration. You always find some cool ideas on there. And then of course you take it and you change it. You make it your own. Don't copy people just as is, because that's not your personality. You gotta put your personal touch on everything. Or at least I do. I go on there to get the ideas. Inspiration. Alright, so we got blue all the way around on that section, and then we'll do red on this section. But I think first we're going to hit this with the heat gun. Wipey for now. I'm going to dry. Alright. But I think in between, that's the red one. Sorry, I wrap my brushes up in wet wipes while I'm in between instead of having to wash them every single time. All right, this is just some DIY big top I've got in this little Dixie cup. And we're gonna go ahead and seal that paint in. DIY is a mineral clay base, so you do have to seal it, otherwise it will get reactivated as soon as it gets wet. Dry that. Alright, so we got the blue done. Now we are going to close this up for now. And then we are going to do, this is DIY's Carnival Red. Going to do that on this other section. And again, I'm leaving the laces showing. Turned out very cute. Like I said, some people will do stars on the blue and then some stripes on the red, but I think I like it just like this. This is the one I did earlier, and then I ended up doing some white stripes, and you can't even tell where I put the white stripes on and then wiped them off. But I think I'm gonna do several like this, and then I may do a couple solid blue, a couple solid red. I don't know, we'll see. All right.